With this technology, we can match the bullet to the firearm with unprecedented accuracy.
Welcome to Taruvu Forensic Vlogs, where science meets crime solving. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of ballistics forensics.
Hello and welcome back to Taruvu Forensic Vlogs. I'm Suresh Taruvu and today we are looking ahead at how tomorrow's breakthroughs are transforming the way we catch criminals. Our topic is the future of forensic ballistics beyond the microscope. "3D imaging and AI, a new era in ballistics." Ballistics once relied on detailed comparison microscopes, skilled eyes, and painstaking hours. But now imagine a world where sophisticated 3D imaging captures every microscopic groove on a bullet in a stunning details, down to the last scratch. With the help of artificial intelligence, these detailed digital fingerprints are compared against massive databases in seconds. 3D imaging offers unmatched accuracy, picking up subtle features traditional methods and might miss. AI algorithms can sift through millions of ballistic signatures, flagging possible matches at lightning speed. These advances means faster results, greater precision, and increased chances of connecting evidence across jurisdictions and years. But the future is not without its hurdles. The rise of ghost guns, firearms assembled from kits with no serial numbers, and 3D printed guns poses significant new challenges. These weapons often lack conventional manufacturing marks. Many are made of plastic or composite materials, making traditional ballistics and tracing less effective. Forensic science is adapting rapidly. New techniques are being developed to identify unique microscopic tool marks left even by 3D printers or home manufacturing tools. Researchers are also uncovering ways to analyze unique wear patterns as these guns are used. No matter how technology advances, one thing remains constant: the enduring power of scientific investigation to reveal the truth from the silent witnesses of crime, bullets, casings, and firearms. The path forward demands both innovation and vigilance. As we embrace the promise of 3D imaging, AI, and new analytical methods, we must also remain alert to emerging threats like ghost guns. If you are fascinated about the future of forensic science, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Taruvu Forensic Vlogs for more explorations into tools and techniques that ensure justice prevails. what do you think that next revolution in forensic will be? Leave your ideas and questions in comments. Let us shape the future together. Thank you for watching, and remember, every crime scene has a story. Our job is to listen and to speak for the silent evidence. Jai Hind, Jai Forensics.
If you found this episode fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Taruvu Forensic Vlogs for more behind-the-scenes crime-solving stories.
Every bullet fired carries a hidden language. It's not just about where it hits, it's about how it was fired, which gun fired it, and what microscopic clues it left behind.